All right, I was gonna do the garage today, but it was so humid today. It was 74% humidity, so not happening. So y'all know what I'm gonna do instead? Yeah, just wait until you see. Do you see this? How did all this stuff fit in there? Oh my God. Okay guys, happening. Today we are painting, or sister is painting. Well, I'm gonna help her. The laundry room. So we're gonna take everything out, and the Monica closet too. I'm gonna take everything out of there and get it started. Let's finish this. It's only been like 6 months since I started it. Okay guys, I have been working on this Monica closet and laundry room makeover, decluttering, major decluttering since the end of February after I finished the minimalism game. Yes, I said the end of February, and now you may pick your jaw up off the floor and finish watching the rest of my video. So I know I have a bunch of new subscribers, so if you're new to my channel, you might want to click the playlist down below because there's 3 other episodes that were prior to this, and you might want to catch up and watch those videos before you finish watching this video, or when you're done watching this video, go back and watch that one. Yes, all right, continue watching and see what happens. Back to present day, and my sister and I are taking everything out of the laundry room so that we can paint it, and the Monica closet eventually. Everything's cleared out completely. So that's going in here. All right. Took that shelf down so we could paint around it. The bracket's gonna stay up there though. And then look, do you see this? How did all this stuff fit in there? Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, here's my thumbnail. So don't forget, every Thursday, my friend Karen over at This Maynard Mom is also posting a decluttering video. You might want to go check out her channel. And when you're done watching my video, go on over and watch her video too. All right, we're just cleaning the walls, and my sister's spackling all the holes. I'm pulling everything out here. Not that bad behind the dryer here. I should get the broom instead though. All right, cleaning out from behind the washer and dryer. I forgot to film y'all. It was kind of a little nasty, not too bad, but there was some gunk on the floor back here. Wiping down this, and I tried using the I heard of taking the leaf blower and putting it in the dryer hose and blowing it out to get the lint out. Yeah, that didn't work. So I'm gonna have to probably get a tool. And my sister said Amy had one. So to clean out the vent outside. Okay, sister did all of the painting. I didn't do any of the painting. She said I didn't have to help her if I didn't want to. And I'm like, okay. And just in case you want to know, I did pay her to paint. So there you go. Okay, much later in the day, sister did most of the work. All right, I got all this together. There's nothing in here. There's some vacuums. Okay, there's a rug in there. Some attachments to change the light bulbs and stuff. And the high ceilings, vacuum attachments. The rest of it, I think, is empty. I'm not sure what I'm putting in there yet. But none of this is going back. So that's going to have to be like that for a couple days because she's not done. She's going to come back in a couple days and finish. So this is a sneak peek. It's looking brighter in here. I do have a new light fixture. See if I can get hubby to change that out for me. I think she painted all the baseboards. Did she paint the door too?
No, just the frame.
Oh, you didn't paint the door?
Just the like frame.
Okay.
The jamb. Like not inside the jamb, just the face.
I think it does need to be painted though, Lynn. Because down the bottom is...
The door?
Yeah, down the bottom. It didn't completely come clean when I did the magic eraser.
Well, not today.
No, I know. I didn't know you were still in here. So I bought some paint to spray paint the top of this. So touch that up. Some appliance paint it's called. In a couple spots and whatnot. Again, waiting for them to break down so I can just get a new washer dryer. Confirming the fact that I need to start using my arm weights again. I should have filmed this, but didn't. Hubby had to come and help the two of us get the shelf back on. It was so hard. Because it has 3, I don't know, rods that you have to line up and put it back on anyway. Yeah, it's supposed to be a floating shelf, but it was bowing. If you guys remember, Gary had to, aka my handyman at the time, had to put these brackets on there. So we're putting the brackets back on.
I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in it, complain. All things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in it, complain. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like.
Okay. Let's put this stuff back in the laundry room. Yeah, let's go. Okay, guys, that is all I have the energy for today. Plus, the Monica closet is not finished being painted, so it's going to be continued for another video. But, all right, so that's going in the Monica closet. We still have to paint, and there's a few things left here. That's going in the Monica closet. I can get rid of these jugs because I don't need them anymore. I was saving them for hurricane season, but pretty much over. And I'm getting rid of this board and this light kit and all of these bins here. I bought a new ring light. All of these bins are extra bins. We might use them somewhere else, but this is how much stuff we've decluttered, and hubby decluttered some things too. And of course I bought new bins for the bathroom underneath the cabinets, so those are all extra. I don't want the cat things back in the closet, so this is donate. Just that I forgot to give that to my sister yesterday, and here's a cat carrier that's going to go in there, so in the closet, I think somewhere. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, yeah, I can put one more thing away just to clear up some space here. Let's put my cleaning cart away because I do need to clean tomorrow. So you're not going to see. I think I need to spread those out. The washer and dryer is a little too close because this won't fit. So you're not going to see how it turned out. Pretty much I'm putting everything back where it belongs, where it was before. But you're going to have to wait till the next video for the final, yes, the final reveal. Hey, as you know, I filmed my decluttering video on Wednesday, which is also Anti-Procrastination Wednesday. If you want to follow along with me on Anti-Procrastination Wednesday, you can print out this free printable. The link will be down below, as well as some other free printables. And I also post on the YouTube community page if you want to share what you completed for that day. I took the package for Katie, who won the giveaway, to the post office, and I went and got the my water bottles refilled, and I started finishing the Monica closet and the laundry room finally. So hopefully it will be done next week for you in next week's decluttering video. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day. Guys, I'm just sharing a little couple segments right here where I'm trying to get my thumbnail. It's quite hilarious. Anyway, if you like this video, I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up and to make sure you comment below. And if you're new to my channel, click my face and subscribe. And also, on the end screen will be Karen's face, so click her face too and go to her channel and watch her video. Go, watch it now. Don't forget to stay tuned for the final reveal episode of the Extreme Closet Makeover.